If you've ever had to convert an Excel spreadsheet into a Python script, you might have had some trouble with the log function not being the same. For example, if all our spreadsheet did was take the log of the number 5 and we wrote a Python script that also takes the log of 5 with either the math or NumPy module, you'll notice that Excel gives us 0.699 and Python gives us 1.609. But why is that? Well, it's because by default, log in Excel uses log base 10, whereas log in Python uses log base E or the natural log. And for a bit of context on what the difference is, if we have a curve that starts at 1, and then for every value of x, the value of y increases by 10 times. What a log base 10 does is basically corrects for that factor of 10 increase. So applying a log base 10 to the y value gives you a nice linear line that goes up by 1 for each step along x. And the same basically applies for a log base E, or natural log. That just accounts for an increase by a factor of E. And E in mathematics is 2.272, or thereabouts. The exact value is this. So if we have a curve that increases by 2.272, then applying a natural log will convert that curve into the same linear line. So if you want Python to match Excel and perform a log base 10, you can define the base number as a second input to the log function. Or you can use the log10 function, and the same goes whether you're using math or NumPy. If you want Excel to match Python and perform a natural log, you can either use the ln function, or similar to Python, you can define the base as the second input to the log function. In Excel you can get the value of e using exp1.